Before you buy your next SUV, there's one thing you can't ignore: dependability. In this video, we're showing you 8 dependable SUVs you should seriously consider before making a purchase. Landing at number 8. The Mazda CX-5 is one of the most reliable and well-balanced SUVs on the market today. Unlike many compact SUVs, the CX-5 combines sporty driving, premium styling, and long-term dependability into one impressive package. Its sleek design and luxurious interior make it feel far more expensive than it actually is. But what truly makes this SUV special is its reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs. Owners love the smooth handling, comfortable ride, and strong fuel efficiency that make it perfect for both city driving and long road trips. Inside, the cabin feels modern and premium, packed with advanced safety and technology features. Powered by durable and efficient engines, the Mazda CX-5 is built to last for years without major problems, making it one of the smartest SUV choices for families and daily drivers alike. At number 7. The Hyundai Palisade has quickly become one of the most trusted family SUVs in the world. With its bold design, spacious interior, and premium features, this SUV offers the perfect balance of comfort, practicality, and long-term reliability. What makes the Palisade truly impressive is how dependable it remains even after years of daily use. Owners around the world praise this SUV for its smooth driving experience, low maintenance costs, and strong build quality. Inside, the cabin feels luxurious, packed with modern technology, advanced safety features, and enough space for the whole family. Whether it's long road trips or everyday driving, the Palisade handles everything with ease and confidence. Powered by a reliable V6 engine and built for durability, the Hyundai Palisade easily earns its place among the most reliable SUVs in the world. Coming in at number 6. The Toyota Highlander is one of the most dependable family SUVs ever built. Known for its strong reliability, smooth driving experience, and excellent long-term durability, the Highlander has become a favorite choice for families around the world. Toyota designed this SUV to handle everyday life with ease, whether it's school runs, road trips, or years of daily driving. What makes the Highlander truly special is its reputation for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with very few major problems. Inside, the cabin feels spacious, comfortable, and packed with modern technology and advanced safety features that make every journey more enjoyable. The smooth ride quality and excellent fuel efficiency also make it practical for long-term ownership. Built with Toyota's legendary engineering and reliability, the Highlander continues to stand among the most trusted and reliable SUVs on the planet. Number 5. The Honda CR-V is one of the most trusted and reliable SUVs ever made. For years, this SUV has been famous for its durability, smooth performance, and extremely low maintenance costs. Families around the world love the CR-V because it offers comfort, practicality, and long-term dependability all in one package. Its modern design, spacious interior, and excellent fuel efficiency make it perfect for everyday driving as well as long road trips. What makes the CR-V truly special is how consistently reliable it remains, even after years of heavy use. Many owners drive these SUVs for hundreds of thousands of miles with very few major problems. Inside, the cabin feels comfortable and modern, packed with useful technology and advanced safety features. Built with Honda's reputation for quality engineering, the CR-V continues to be one of the smartest SUV choices in the world. Number 4. The Subaru Forester is an SUV that has built its reputation on reliability, safety, and everyday practicality. Known for its standard all-wheel drive system and strong durability, the Forester performs confidently in almost every type of weather and road condition. Whether it's snow, rain, rough roads, or long highway trips, this SUV is built to handle it all without trouble. What makes the Forester truly popular among families is its dependability over time. Many owners keep these SUVs for years because they continue running smoothly with very few major issues. Inside, the cabin is spacious, comfortable, and packed with modern safety technology that makes daily driving easier and safer. With excellent visibility, solid fuel economy, and a reputation for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles, the Subaru Forester easily stands among the world's most reliable SUVs. At number 3. The Honda Pilot is one of the most dependable 3-row SUVs ever built. Designed for families who need space, comfort, and long-term reliability, the Pilot has earned a strong reputation for handling everyday life without major problems. Its spacious interior, smooth ride quality, and practical design make it perfect for road trips, school runs, and daily commuting. What makes the Honda Pilot truly impressive is how reliable it remains even after years of heavy use. Many owners drive these SUVs for hundreds of thousands of miles while spending very little on major repairs. Inside, the cabin offers plenty of passenger space, modern technology, and advanced safety features that make driving easier and more comfortable. Built with Honda's trusted engineering and durability, the Pilot continues to be one of the smartest and most reliable family SUVs in the world. Runner-up at number 2, Toyota RAV4, one of the most reliable SUVs ever created. This SUV has become incredibly popular around the world because of its durability, practicality, and ability to last for years with very few major problems. Whether it's daily commuting, family road trips, or long-distance driving, the RAV4 handles everything with confidence and reliability. What makes this SUV truly special is Toyota's reputation for building vehicles that can survive hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Inside, the cabin is spacious, comfortable, and packed with modern technology and advanced safety features that make everyday driving easier and more enjoyable. The smooth performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs make it a favorite choice for millions of drivers worldwide. The Toyota RAV4 perfectly earns its title as one of the most reliable SUVs on the planet, taking the number 1 spot. The Lexus RX 350 is one of the most reliable luxury SUVs ever created. While many luxury vehicles become expensive to maintain over time, the RX 350 is famous for combining premium comfort with Toyota-level dependability. Its elegant design, smooth performance, and quiet driving experience make it feel incredibly refined on the road. Inside, the cabin is filled with high-quality materials, advanced technology, and luxury features that create a first-class experience for both drivers and passengers. But what truly makes the RX 350 stand out is its long-term reliability. Owners often keep these SUVs for many years because they continue running smoothly with very few major issues. The Lexus RX 350 proves that luxury and reliability can exist together perfectly. A smart SUV choice starts with reliability. If this helped you out, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful car insights.